Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these easy keto chicken enchiladas. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer, and today we're making some keto chicken enchiladas. They're so good, and we're going to use low carb tortillas. It's not enchiladas without tortillas. You can find some other way. You can use cabbage. I've seen people use ham. I'm just gonna use some tortillas, okay? Is that okay? Okay. So I've got 3 cups of shredded chicken in this bowl, shredded chicken breast. And we've already cooked it. We just poached it in salted water, some chicken breast, and we got 3 cups of shredded chicken breast. So now we're gonna add the seasonings. I've got 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1½ teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. There's our seasonings. We're gonna stir that up. And now we're gonna add in a 10-ounce can of enchilada sauce, red enchilada sauce. You can use your favorite kind, but look at the ingredients, look at the carbs. You wanna find one that doesn't really have sugar. So if you can find one without sugar, congratulations. We're also gonna add in 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. This was 2½ cups. The rest of this cheese is for the top of our delicious chicken enchiladas. So we're gonna start all of this filling up, and that's it for our filling. Super simple, but really, really flavorful. Okay, now we're going to fill the flour tortillas, or these do have flour. So they're flour tortillas. That's why that's what I'm using. You can find some, whatever you want to use. So I'm going to use 1/2 cup measure and dump it into each of the tortillas. That way we just kind of have a good idea of an even serving of the mixture. And then we're going to roll it up, roll it up, and then we will put it seam side down into a casserole dish and make a mess. So I'm going to continue to do that with the rest of our filling. It's going to make about 6 or 7 enchiladas. Okay, last one. That made 6 good sized enchiladas. Okay, let's finish this up. We're going to pour another can of enchilada sauce on top. And the remainder of our cheese, 1½ cups. Okay, these are ready for the oven. We're gonna put them in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, our enchiladas are ready out of the oven and they look fantastic. So let me get one carefully. Let me do 1/2 of 2. I think that'll be easier to divide out or to get out with a spatula without dumping it on on my shirt. Ooh yeah, saucy, delicious, yum yum. Let's get a bite. I know they're good because I've already had them before. Those are so dang good. And the carbs are not bad. They're 7 net carbs, about 300 calories for one of these very generous enchiladas. You've got to make this recipe. It's perfect for meal prep. You just, slap one of these into a bowl and there's your lunch for the day. Here's my lunch for the day. And then you might also want to check out this recipe for my taco pie, keto taco pie. It is good, so good, easy like this. Of course, all of my recipes are easy. So check that out, check this recipe out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.